Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Euler's method helps us approximate functions using derivatives. We will take 2 steps from 1 to 0 to find our final value very quickly. Start at 1 with a step size of negative 0.5. The slope at 1, 0 is 2 times 1 times negative 1, giving us a new y value of 1. Now we are at 0.5 and 1. The new slope is 2 times 0.5 times 0.5, which equals 0.5. Let's calculate the final step. Multiply the slope by the step size to get negative 0.25. Adding this to the previous y value gives 3/4 as the answer. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rushing. Trust given values and check steps for option C.